Actually giving my engine a proper good moving, as you can see.
No wind for the sails, right?
The tide's going out, but there's no wind for the sails, so we haven't started them yet.
Going against the tide.
Tide's going quite quick. My dad is doing the steering for me, so I can do a bit of a video. Here's my outboard. I've got one. I ain't got any stainless steel screws. But yeah, I've got what my dad's trying to say is I've got an arm for the stick so you can like steer it, but I've got no stainless steel screws for it, so I've got to get some stainless steel screws next, so and carry on doing the work, you see. We're just going around the speed limit to tell us what we're actually doing. See?
A bit of wind there, we could have got the sails up.
And there's my dad, see? Being happy because he's steering the boat, because his one's broken at the moment.